Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's topic is polynomial. At first we have to know about constant. What is a constant? A symbol having a fixed numerical value is called a constant. For examples 2, 3, 5, minus 6, minus 9, minus 5 by 2, minus 9 by 2, 5, etc. Next, we have to know about variables. What is variables? A symbol which may be assigned different numerical values is known as a variable. For examples x, y, z. You may get many different values for different value of x, y, z. Next, algebraic expression. A combination of constants and variables connected with plus, minus, multiply and division is known as algebraic expression. For examples, 2x square plus 5x plus 6, 3x cube minus 9x square minus 5. Two x plus 5, 9x cube plus 6, etc. Next, terms of an algebraic expression. The several parts of an algebraic expression separated by plus or minus operations are called the terms of an algebraic expression. You can see from the above expression 2x square plus 5x plus 6. The terms will be 2x square 5x plus 6, and from the algebraic expression 3x cube minus 9x square minus 5, you get 3x cube comma minus 9x square comma minus 5, and from 2x plus 5 you get 2x comma plus 5, and from 9x cube plus 6 you get 9x cube comma plus 6. Now for polynomial in one variable. An expression of the form a0 plus a1x plus a2x square plus an minus 1 x to the power n minus 1 plus an x to the power n, where a0, a1, a2, an minus 1 and an are real numbers and an not equal to 0, and n is a non-negative integer, is called a polynomial in x of degree n. Here non-negative integer is the important part. For examples, f of x equal to 5x square plus 3x minus 4 is a polynomial of degree 2 in x. A degree is nothing but the highest power of the variable of the polynomial. You can see in this polynomial the highest power of the variable is 2, hence the degree of this polynomial become 2. Next, standard form of a polynomial. A polynomial in x or y expressed either in ascending power of x or y or in descending powers of x or y is said to be in standard form. You can see the power of x going higher to lower in the first example and lower to a higher in the second example. Both are in standard form. Here is an example of standard form. 5x cube plus 4x square plus 2x plus 5, or you may write this as 5 plus 2x plus 4x square plus 4x cube, 5x cube. Both are in standard form. Now check some functions. Are they polynomials? For the first function, f of x equal to x square plus 1 by x square. Here x square plus 1 by x square. There is no problem in x square, but 1 by x square means x to the power minus 2. Since 1 by x equal to x inverse and x to the power minus 2, here minus 2 is a negative integer. So f of x equal to x square plus 1 by x square is not a polynomial. For the second, d of x equal to x plus 4 by x plus 3. We can write x plus 4 as x plus 3 plus 1 by x plus 3, and we divide into two parts, x plus 3 by x plus 3 plus 1 by x plus 3. Here x plus 3 by x plus 3 equal to 1 and 1 by x plus 3 equal to x plus 3 whole inverse. Here minus 1 is a negative integer, hence g of x is not a polynomial. And also for q of x equal to 1 by x plus 2x plus 2 whole inverse, here this is also not a polynomial. Now we'll learn about polynomials of various degrees. First, linear polynomial. A polynomial of degree 1 is called a linear polynomial. General form of linear polynomial equal to function of x equal to ax plus b. Here the degree of x equal to 1 and a not equal to 0. It means if a equal to 0, then there is no variable in this function. For examples, 2x plus 5, here a equal to 2 which is not equal to 0, and 5x minus 5, here also a equal to 5, that not equal to 0. That means 2x plus 5 and 5x minus 5 is a linear polynomial. Quadratic polynomial. A polynomial of degree 2 is called a quadratic polynomial. I mean the power of variable must be 2. Highest power of the variable must be 2. General form, f of x equal to x square plus bx plus c, and a must be not equal to 0. You can see here if a equal to 0, then it will be bx plus c, I mean linear polynomial. For example, 2x square plus 5x plus 3, here a equal to 2 which is not equal to 0. Next, cubic polynomial. A polynomial of degree 3 is called a cubic polynomial. Cube means 3. The general form of cubic polynomial equal to ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. The highest power of variable must be 3 and a not equal to 0. For example, 3x cube plus 6x square plus 5x plus 6. You may see here the highest power of variable x equal to 3 and a equal to 3, which is not equal to 0. You may remember easily that the linear polynomial have degree 1, quadratic 2, cubic 3 and biquadratic 4. A polynomial of degree 4 is called a biquadratic polynomial. General form: function of x equal to ax to the power 4 plus bx cube plus 3x square plus dx plus e equal to 0. You may see here the highest power of variable x equal to 4 and a not equal to 0. Next, number of terms in polynomial. Number 1, monomial. Mono means one, I mean single. A polynomial containing one term is called monomial. For example, 5 minus 5 by 2, x cube, 9x square, etc. The important thing of monomial is any order but only one term. Next, binomial. Bi means 2. A polynomial containing 2 terms is called binomial. Examples: 2x plus 5, 9x cube minus 5x, 3x to the power 9 minus 10, etc. Trinomial. Tri means 3. A polynomial containing 3 terms is called trinomial. For examples: 3x cube plus 6x square plus 5. You can see here 3 terms: 3x cube 1 term, 6x square 2 terms and plus 5 3 terms. There are only one term in monomial, 2 terms in binomial and 3 terms in trinomial. Now, constant polynomial. A polynomial only contain a non-zero constant term is called constant polynomial. Non-zero constant term. Why pi is constant polynomial? Because pi equal to 22 by 7. It's a numerical value. zero polynomial. A polynomial containing one term, namely 0, is called a zero polynomial. The degree of a zero polynomial is not defined. This is very important question for 1 mark. Next, now we are going to solve some problems from R.D. Sharma exercise 2a. Are the expressions polynomial? If polynomial, then write the degree also. First question, x to the power 5 minus 2x cube plus x plus root 3. First, you have to confirm that this is a polynomial. Here the power of the variable x equal to 5, 3, 1 and root 3 equal to root 3 into x to the power 0. We know that x to the power 0 equal to 1. Hence the degree of root 3 equal to 0. And all the n are non-negative integer. Then highest power of x equal to 5. Hence x to the power 5 minus 2x cube plus x plus root 3 is a polynomial of degree 5. Next, x to the power 100 minus 1. Here the highest power of the variable x equal to 100. So x to the power 100 minus 1 is a polynomial of degree 100. Now for 1 by 2 x square, we may write this 1 by 2 into 1 by x square equal to 1 by 2 into x to the power minus 2. Hence minus 2 is a negative integer. Therefore 1 by 2x square is not a polynomial. Since it is not a polynomial, we can't find the degree of it. Next, 1 by root 5 x to the power half plus 1. Is it clear to you, viewers? Next, 2x cube plus 3x square plus root x. There are no problems in x cube, x square and the constant term 1, but there is a problem in root x. Root x equal to x to the power half, and half is not eligible for polynomial. Hence, 2x cube plus 3x square plus root x minus 1 is not a polynomial. Next, identify linear, quadratic, cubic and biquadratic form of this polynomial. Number 1, minus 7 plus x. Here the degree of x equal to 1, hence it is a linear polynomial. Here also 1, then it is a linear polynomial, and here 3, therefore it is a cubic polynomial. And for the number 4, the highest power of the variable x equal to 4, therefore it is a biquadratic polynomial. Next, write the coefficient of x cube in x plus 3x square minus 5x cube plus x to the power 4. You can see there the coefficient of x cube equal to minus 5. Similarly, x equal to minus 2 root 2. The coefficient of x equal to minus 2 root 2, and the constant term in pi by 2 x square plus 7x minus 2 by 5 pi. Here the constant term will be minus 2 by 5 pi. Next, determine the degrees. 4x minus 5x square plus 6x cube by 2. You have to calculate this polynomial. At first, separate the terms. After calculating the highest power of the variable x equal to 2, therefore the degree equal to 2. Next 3x minus 2 into 2x cube plus 3x square. The simple multiply 6x to the power 4 minus 4x cube plus 9x cube minus 6x square. You have to calculate just the highest power of the variable x. Here the highest power of the variable equal to 4. Therefore, the degree equal to 4. The degree of minus 8 equal to minus 8 into 1, and 1 equal to we can write x to the power 0. Therefore, the highest power of the variable x equal to 0, hence the degree equal to 0. Next, similarly, just simple calculation. Degree equal to 2. Example of monomial of degree 5, x to the power 5. Here monomial equal to only one term and degree 5 equal to the power of the variable equal to 5. You can write anything of degree 5 and one term. The example of binomial of degree 8. Bio means 2. You can write here 2 terms. And the degree must be 8. Is it okay to you? Number 3. Example of monomial of degree 0. Mono means one term and degree 0 means the power of the variable must be 0. Next, standard form. Standard form means the power of the variable increases or decreases both are correct. For the second, 2y cube is the highest, second 4y square, third minus 3y, fourth plus 2 by 3. 2 by 3 minus 3 by 3y plus 4y square plus 2y cube. First is ascending and second is descending. For the third, t to the power 4 minus t 3 cube t square plus t plus 2, or descending 2 plus t plus minus t square minus 3t cube plus t to the power 4.